Hello everyone, back again with my HSP or Exceed RC Thunderfire. I've painted this body up. This is a Dromeda monster truck body with Tamiya metallic orange and Tamiya pearl white paints with the typical cutouts for nitro engine ignition, pull start, and tuning. I think it came out pretty good. A little white stripe going down the back, splitting out the roof. I don't know, I like it. It's kind of a throwback scheme. Anyways, you'll remember I haven't actually driven this truck yet. I started it, but it had no clutch. So we're going to take this apart, put a clutch in it, and while we're at it, go ahead and throw in a new one of these lovely, the infamous purple tag mini steering servo. It's metal geared, and I think my steering servo is almost bad on this guy anyways. So before I drive it, I want to make sure it's all set. So yeah, let's pop the top, yank the engine, drop a new clutch in it, and then put it back together, stick a servo in there, and see if we can't drive it around some today. Alright, got it all hooked back up. The steering servo's good, hooked to my trusty DX5C. Throttle and steering. The throttle servo is already a high-tech from previous installations, so don't need to switch that out, but I've got more of those little purple ones if I need to. Let's go ahead and start it and see if we can get anything out of her. like that's all the time we have for today. Running it a little richer than usual to try to get that that temperature mix just down right around 200, but it's not a big tank. I pretty much videotaped every second of that tank running there, and it did not last very long, but there it is. HSP or Exceed RC Thunderfire are up and running. Sounds like it's running pretty well, if not a little high. I expect the clutch spring to slowly loosen up and lower that engagement RPM, but yeah, honestly, with the size tires that's on this one, I wouldn't mind driving it outside. Maybe I'll get some outdoor shots in the grass, but until then, hit the subscribe button so you can see when that video comes out, and I'll see you next time.